Hey, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I've got a small haul video for you. Wasn't planning on doing a haul video, but I have a couple projects I want to make, and we went to a couple antique shops today. So I'm getting my soda. So I wanted to show you a few things I got. First thing I got was this really pretty shaker. It's a big one, and what I liked about it is I got it for 30% off, so it was $4. Like most antique stores, I believe they pulled the sticker off. But it came with all these buttons in it, and some of them are really fancy. So I got this whole thing for $4, and it was $6, and I got 30% off. So it was around $4. It had this pretty ribbon tied around it, and then the shaker. And I've been wanting for a long time to make some of those button flowers. And kind of like when I stack the sequins, same type of premise, but you stack buttons. So I wanted to get some stuff to do that. So I will show you the Hobby Lobby haul, and then I'll show you the rest of the antique store haul. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and you can get 2 shakers for $1. Let's open it up and see what they look like. They're glass, and they've got a real nice design to them. And so I bought 2 sets, so it's 4 salt and pepper shakers. And here's the other set. And for 50 cents each, you can't beat it. And then I thought I'd buy some stuff to fill them with. You know, usually they put something in them. Now, I'm going to see if this will actually fit in the jars. Let's open one up and see. So I bought this scatter, thinking I could do maybe one for Valentine's Day. I thought that'd be fun for us to do, but let's see if they fit. And they do, look. So you can fill it with the scatter from the tape for the tables. And I got a pink one, and I thought I got a red one too. I did. I got a red one, and then this gorgeous blue rhinestone one. And it's in person, this is the darkest cobalt blue. It looks like the darkest cobalt blue glass. So I got 3 different packages of scatter for $1 each. Salt and pepper shakers for $1 a set. And I even got some buttons, although I've got a shoebox full of buttons. But I thought those were pretty spring colors and might be fun. I can use them with other buttons. And I got some, look at this, they're sequins. They've got the holes. They've actually, see if we can see, they've actually got the holes in them. So I got some heart sequins there. Oops, I guess I dropped some stuff. Hold on. I got these beads that I thought could either be put into a jar or actually used as beads, but they're silver and gold, and it could actually go in one of the jars. This is little palettes, and the reason I bought them is I like to paint. I have a whole bunch of paint over here, but you get 6. Is it 6 of these little palettes for 6 pieces right here for $1. So that is pretty cool. And they're not terribly thin. I mean, they're thin, but they're not bad. And then my husband pointed out that they had palette knives, so I got those for $1. And then I thought these were fun. They're little blocks. They could even go in here, or you can paint them, do all kinds of... I've got those inch cubes too, and these are, it says 15 millimeter for $1. And then I got a stylus, which I've used these for all kinds of things. I used to have a wooden one. Might still have it somewhere, but for $1 I picked up this one. And then eyeshadow, because this is great when you want to do polymer clay. It's great for doing a little bit of accent colors on it. Then I'm always looking at paper art. So I bought these to use or to cut up or to use in different projects. And then these are, I've seen Happy Bird over at Happy Bird's Glitter Nest talk about using these pop dot adhesives when you want like a 3D look. So it's a two layers, 2 sheets, 528 pieces. So they're really tiny. Let's see if I can get the, yeah, see, they're really tiny. Then I have a big pile of these Search a Word books dating back to the 80s. And I haven't really added one in a while. So I thought for $1, I'll add one, even though I could probably live to 120 and never use all the ones I have completely gone. Then back to the antique store stuff. I picked up this from my friend V from V Wills Design. She has a great YouTube channel where she shows her crafts. And she's asked me to keep my eye open for especially the religious golden books. So this one was only $1. It has a little damage inside, but she assures me it won't affect her use of it. So this will be going to V. And then I bought, oh, the other thing I bought's in the car. I can't show you, but I bought my daughter, our youngest daughter, some babushka dolls, stacking dolls. They're in the trunk though, and I'm not going to make you wait while I'm not going to turn off the camera. And then, of course, I added some more cookie cutters. I got a hanging stocking. I don't think I have this one. If I do, oh well. This flower, if you're in your 60s like or late 50s, 60s like I am, or older, you might remember the plastic flowers. They were about this big. They were resin, and they were usually bright colors with a different colored middle on a wire, and they were everywhere. Well, this is what this reminded me of. And then I have a lot of holly leaves, but this looked more like a leaf, and I really thought that was cool. Cute little snowman. A pretty little green aluminum tree. I don't know if I have this exact shape of tree, but I know I don't have one that looks like this. I know I don't have a reindeer like this one. I thought it was very cute. Little reindeer head. And then these were cute. There's like a little crescent or half circle. I guess it's more of a half circle. And they're just geometric shapes. I thought those would be fun to use in projects. And then last year I was desperate for a 4-leaf clover, and I found one. Now I may not use the leaf part. I might just stamp this part of it. I don't like the stem that much. But anyway, so that's my little haul. I didn't spend a ton of money, and I think I got a lot of good stuff. And I will be doing the buttons soon, because I was just looking at these pretty buttons, I have the other day, and I have a shoebox full of everything from ordinary to really gorgeous buttons. So I figure I wanted to do some of those bouquets. So I'll do a big one in here. And I'll pour these buttons in with these. I figured I could do a big one with this one, because that hole is plenty big enough to put quite a few wires, and my husband has assured me if I need it bigger he can do that, but I can't imagine I can't get 4 or 5 wire flowers through there. And then just so many, the buttons in there were just plastic, but when you're doing the button flowers, there's a shimmery, and then there's some that are a round ball with rhinestones, and just a lot of real pretty. These are different. They got like a pincushion look on the front. They're like a stainless look. Just a lot of fun. This is an interesting button. It looks like a big fat button. See? But it's hollow. And it's actually hollow inside, which I thought was quite interesting. So I'd make a nice center of a flower. So there's some just simple basket weave looking metal ones. But I thought for the price, for $4, that was a really good bottle. There's a few metal ones in there. But it's something I've never done that I've been wanting to do for a long, long time. So I thought this would be fun. This would be a nice big one. And I might fill this one with pearls. I haven't decided, but that's going to be a video coming up. Probably for Valentine's Day, I'll do a Valentine's one. I have a bunch of other videos I want to do for you. I've got a couple ideas up my sleeve. Let's see if these show up in the bottle. Let's see. Yeah, I think they do. You can't beat it for $1. The little hearts. I think they're cute. They're just little plastic hearts. And I've got them in pink and red. So I think that'll be fun to put in the jars. And that'll kind of hold the flowers in place when I do them. Now, I've never done this before, so I'll probably do 1 or 2 and see how I like it. Or, you know, do a couple variety of them. And then I'll do a video. So probably sometime this week I'll do that. But just a lot of fun cookie cutters. The lady I bought some of these from was telling me that she did a cookie cutter tree this year. She took all her cookie cutters and did something like this, except she said she used thin ribbon, and tied them all on her tree. So I told her I might have to do that next year for my studio. Get a little Christmas tree and hang a bunch of my ornaments on it. Now, obviously, with about 800 ornaments, I can't hang them all on it, but I told David when we design, you know, we hope to build a house one day, and when I design my studio, I would like to have one wall or a hallway going into my studio where I could have pegboard and hang all my cookie cutters up. I think that would be really fun. Whether or not that'll happen, because it'd take an awfully big wall, honestly, to hang them all up. But we'll see. Maybe. Maybe, maybe. But that's what dreams are for, right? But anyway, I paid $1 for most of them. I think I paid $2. I know I paid $2 for this one. Or this one. I know I paid $2. I think this one was $1. I don't know. But I don't pay over $2 for them. I thought this one was really neat. I have a bunch of stockings, but I don't think I have a hanging stocking. And I just thought that was cute. So, anyway, that is my day. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be back in the next few days with my button video and another video I'm working on. I'm hoping to do in the next week or 2. So we will see. And I'm going to figure out another ornament I want to do and get started on that as well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm 2 subscribers away from 900 subscribers. So at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So 102 more people, and I will do a giveaway of an ornament when we get to that point. And I'll pick a selection of ornaments for that winner to choose from. So, all the people I have, I know there's a way you can do it. There's a some kind of thing, but I will, you know, whoever enters, if I have to, I'll write your name on a piece of paper. But we'll announce that when I get to 1,000, but we're 102 away, so getting there. So hopefully in the next few months we can hit that, and then I will run a contest. I will post an actual video about it. Whoever enters, I'll probably just write your name on a piece of paper and draw it live on the next video after that, so that you can see me draw the name. And so hopefully that'll be soon, but it won't be too much longer. At the most a few months. So anyway, I do appreciate all of you very much, and I appreciate everybody watching the video, and I appreciate the comments. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll give me a chance and subscribe, because I do have a lot of great ideas going forward. Not all of them are mine, that's why I can say great ideas, because like most crafters, I watch Pinterest and different things and get great ideas that other artists have come up and try to do my own twist or spin on them. So thank you so much, and I'll be back soon. Bye.